So now I have all of my instructors, and I can do what I did at the end of the last class, which is build a map from key to instructor object. So this loop, instead of just printing it, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to make a map. So instructor map, which is a dictionary, and it's going to start out empty. And then for each instructor, it's going to set instructor map square bracket. And then I want that key. So I mean, in the other code, I just kept formatting a string with first name, last name in it. And that was dumb because really this wants to have, it's an object. And so it wants a method for getting the key value. So let's add a method for getting a key value to an instructor. And this will work for both instructor and for part-time instructor and full-time instructor. I'm going to add an accessor method for getting a key value. And then for now, the key value it returns is going to be the formatted string with self dot first name space self dot last name. But if I want to have a different key value, then I can change this without breaking anything else. So now in my database here, when I build my map, the key in here is going to be instructor.getKey. How do you spell key? Like so. And that's going to be equal to instructor. So now anytime I have a key, I can look up the instructor that it matches. And now when I read my lists, get rid of that. So instructor lists is going to be there. And then I want to convert each one of those into an instructor list object with the right list of instructors. So the constructor for instructor list just has a name property, and then I can call add on each instructor object. So let's go ahead and loop through each instructor list. For each one, I'm going to make instructor list. This is instructor list dict. Instructor list is new instructor list. And then the name is going to be instructor list dict sub name. And then for instructor key in instructor list dict of, actually, what was the name of that property? Instructors, yeah. So for key in the list of instructor keys, instructor list dot add, and then I use my map to convert the key into an instructor object. So the end result is going to be a fully fleshed out instructor list. And then I'm also going to keep all lists, which is going to be that. And then let's do all instructors. So for all lists, after I've built my instructor list, I want to append it. So all lists dot append my instructor list. And then if instructor list dot get name is equal to all instructors, then all instructors is equal to instructor list. So if I read the one that is everybody, then I keep track of that. And then at the end, I should be able to just return all lists and all instructors. And that should be it. Well, let's see. So stop and run. So let's list the instructor lists. So there's my instructor lists. And then let's print all instructors. And there's all of the instructors. And then let's print CIS 133Y, and that's Greg and Mark. And then let's join two lists together, 122 with CIS 133Y. And then print the list of instructors, and then print that CIS 122 33Y list. And that's all the 122 and 133Y instructors. So it worked.